Hello guys, welcome to Fly-Sky.SD channel, and today we are going to learn about nutrients in plants. So we will learn about nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition and replenishment of nutrients in the soil. So let us see what are nutrition. Organisms need energy to live and grow. This energy is obtained from food. The substance is broken down by chemical processes in the body of an organism to give energy called food. The process by which food is taken in by an organism and used by its body is called nutrition. There are two main modes of nutrition. One is autotrophic and the second is heterotrophic. Autotrophic nutrition. Green plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. In science language, photo means light and synthesis means to put together. The mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Organisms that follow the autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophic. Now let us see what is photosynthesis. The term photosynthesis was coined by Charles Redburns in 1893. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the soil. Water reacts with carbon dioxide in the presence of light and chlorophyll to produce sugar and oxygen. The sugar so produced is stored in the form of starch in various parts of the plant and oxygen is released. As you can see in this diagram that the plant is receiving light from the sun. Carbon dioxide is taken in by the leaf from the air. Water is taken in from the soil by the roots, and finally the oxygen is released. Now let us see what is heterotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organisms depend on other organisms for food is called heterotrophic nutrition. Some plants do not contain chlorophyll. Some grow in places where they do not get enough light. Such plants are not able to carry out photosynthesis and depend on other organisms for nutrition. So, there are four types of heterotrophic plants. One is parasitic plants, second is saprophytic plants, third is insectivorous plants, and fourth is symbiotic plants. Parasitic plants. A parasitic plant is one that partially or completely depends on another plant, called host, for nutrition. The examples of parasitic plants are cuscuta and mistletoe. This is a picture of cuscuta. You can also say dodder. Cuscuta has a short root and a long thread-like stem. It twines around the host stem and sends branches around the neighboring stems. This is the parasitic plant. This is a picture of mistletoe. Mistletoe has leathery green leaves and it can make its own food. However, the plant still depends on the host for minerals and water. This is the parasitic plant. Saprophytic plants. A saprophytic plant is one that obtains its nutrients from dead and decaying plant and animal matter. It is usually whitish, but some plants can have brightly colored flowers. Examples of saprophytic plants are Indian pipe and coral root. This is the picture of Indian pipe. The Indian pipe is found commonly in Asia and North America and it is white in color. This is the picture of coral root. The coral root is found in forests around the world. And this is the saprophytic plant. Now let us see what are insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are the ones that derive some or most of their nutrients by trapping and consuming animals, mainly insects. The examples of insectivorous plants are Venus flytrap and Cindew. This is the picture of Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap has leaves modified to trap insects. The inner surface of the leaves have short, stiff hair. When an insect touches the hair, the leaves snap shut in less than a second. The insect is then trapped and digested. This is the picture of Sandeep. The leaves of Sandeep plant have long, thin structures called tentacles, which have drops of a sticky substance called mucilage at their ends. Once an insect touches the tentacles, it gets stuck in the mucilage and is unable to escape. It is then digested. This is the last topic of our lesson, which is replenishment of nutrition in the soil. So, plants use the minerals, nutrients, especially nitrogen, present in the soil for their growth. As a result, there is a depletion of nitrogen in the soil over a period of time. Manures and fertilizers are used to replenish the nutrients in the soil. Besides nitrogen, they also contain potassium and phosphorus needed by plants for healthy growth. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.